talking about these people, the likes of Manish Tiwari, for instance. What happens post 24? They will be thinking, what do we do? Do we want to represent a party that has no future in its current form? Or we rather have a real fight, even if it's for 20 Lok Sabha seats, but as a separate faction? For the longest period of time, I think 24 elections would be the last time we see Congress as we seeing it since the 1970s and 1980s. There has to be, at some point, a split of sorts. A faction has to come out of the Congress, and it's not the Aam Aadmi Party. We like to think that the Aam Aadmi Party has somehow come out of the Congress. I'm talking about Congress leaders coming out separately to create a faction, to carve out a faction. Now, the problem is politically it doesn't make a lot of sense because they'll be ending up cutting the votes of the Congress itself and thus benefiting the BJP. So, a lot of people might not think that, oh, is there any use to even build a faction? But not doing that will also be a problem in the long term. I'll tell you why. Let's say there are 170 seats in the opposition that are available for the opposition to win. They might be because of the majority of a certain community, because the BJP doesn't have a stronghold there, etc. etc. Now, are we looking at a national party in those 170, 190 seats? If at all we are, the national party needs to have at least 60 seats, at least one third of those seats. Congress doesn't have those numbers today. And the way Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are going about things, tell me, Shreya, where will they get those 30 seats from in 24? They had Punjab in 2014 and 19. That one state was oblivious to the Modi wave. That state is gone. They had Haryana. It's gone. The cadre is not anyway active there. The Aam Aadmi Party might make some dents. That's also very far-fetched. But even with all the misgivings of Manohar Lal Khattar, the BJP looks decent there. Uttar Pradesh, they were at least getting 2 seats. Amethi and Rai Bareli, if not anything. Sonia Gandhi is not contesting Rai Bareli and Samajwadi wants to put a candidate there. West Bengal, are they going to get those seats? Maharashtra, Gujarat. If anything, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, they could all be golden ducks for the Congress come 2024.